Have you ever wondered which platform is better for selling digital products? Today, we'll dive into Paddle and Lemon Squeezy to see how they stack up against each other. Both Paddle and Lemon Squeezy help creators sell digital goods. They provide tools for payment processing, subscriptions, and managing customers, but they have their own unique features that set them apart. Let's start with Paddle. Paddle is known for its robust features. It offers a complete checkout experience, including taxes and compliance. This means you can focus on your product without worrying about the legal stuff. Paddle also supports multiple currencies, which is great if you have an international audience. Now, let's look at Lemon Squeezy. Lemon Squeezy is designed to be user friendly. It has a simple setup process, making it easy for beginners. You can create beautiful product pages quickly. Plus, it offers built in affiliate marketing tools, helping you boost sales through referrals. So, what are the key differences? Paddle is more comprehensive, ideal for larger businesses with complex needs. On the other hand, Lemon Squeezy is perfect for smaller creators who want simplicity and ease of use. When it comes to features, Paddle shines with its advanced analytics and multi-currency support. Lemon Squeezy, however, stands out with its intuitive interface and affiliate tools, which can help you grow your audience faster. In terms of pricing, Paddle usually charges a percentage of each sale, while Lemon Squeezy has a flat monthly fee. This can affect your choice depending on your sales volume. So, who should choose what? If you are a large business needing a full suite of tools, go with Paddle. But if you're a small creator looking for an easy way to sell, Lemon Squeezy might be the better fit. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.